So hello again everybody, welcome again to this tutorial. This will be the second video. Here we'll interest ourselves on how could we make spawn points. So as you remember, the last time I showed you the game Defense of the Ancient, and actually I don't have only the two creeps that are here and here. Actually I have plenty of them coming in waves of I think 4 creeps. So I would like to have exactly the same behavior here. This is exactly what I'm going to show you. So normally on MOBA games you will have the core, altar, power node, enchant, which is the building to destroy. In our case that's this little house for the human, and this is this little tower for the goblins. I will just here put another building, which will be the spawn points. Normally you have several buildings for each waves, because then you have the behavior like when you destroy the specific building, then the wave starts spawning. So yeah, let me just check for something. I haven't found anything, but if I don't find anything I'll just do something silly. Yeah, okay, oh god, I cannot have it. Oh, you can see there is plenty of material, and sometimes you just get lost by the options that you've got. So yeah, well, okay, let's make this. This is a landmark. Let's make it bigger so I can see it. So this will be the spawn points for the goblins. Yeah, I can make it red. I will make it red afterwards, so goblins will be, this will be for the bad guys. So my objective will be that this thing here spawns every, let's say, 10 seconds waves of 3 goblins like this. So to do this, this little thing is also a prop, so it also have brains. So it's quite easy here. You can see that actually I can have a countdown timer. I can here go to value, new number, and new number variable, and I can make spawn time. Spawn time. And here don't forget the loop. I forgot once and I searched for a while, so please don't forget the loop, otherwise it will only spawn once. And so this is spawn time. So let's set it to, so first what do we want to do? We would like that actually here we create, so it's an object. I think it's an object, I'm not sure. No, it's not an object. Okay, then yeah, it's here, sorry, create. Oh yeah, I won a little achievement. Cool. Oh god, I forgot. Create? Oh god, no, sorry. No, this is really, I'm really sorry. Create, and then here afterwards I will put an object, so I will just put in world picker, and this will be a goblin. So here I will just set that the spawn time equals, I will spawn them each 5 seconds. 5 seconds. Let's see a bit what happens now. Okay, so you can see that actually it's behaving exactly, so you can see that I've got a second goblin. Let's wait. Oh, another one. Oh god, another one. What's happening? Why? Those two are really too close here. This is really weird. Let me just check a bit. So you can see that actually they're just killing this guy here. He stands no chance. Okay, it seems normal. This was a weird behavior though. I will check later if it reproduced, because it looks fine at the moment. So this is good. I said that I want a wave. So actually what I could do is just here I will insert. Yeah, a new line, and I will just create another goblin, right? God, yeah, sorry. I have to select it into the world, otherwise it won't work, because we have some custom logic. If you take the goblin from the library, you can do this, but the goblin will come with the logic that was built in. So the logic that we saw at the beginning of the first tutorial. This is why I'm selecting this goblin here that we changed on the map. So you can see now that, oh god, 2 goblin, yeah, that's fine. That's because I said wave of 2. This is good. And actually there is some kind of offset. I don't like it. The goblin are poppy everywhere. So let's see if I can fix this. And here I guess I can say at position. What if I say me? Okay, normally this should do the job, because I'm saying create the goblin at my position. So here me is the spawner. So let's see a bit what's happening now, and you can see they're coming from the center of the altar, which is exactly what I wanted. Here they are, yeah, the goblin army, fierce goblin army, right? This is cool, but this is still something that I don't like here. This guy here, the 2 guys, so we'll take care about the human side afterwards. I started with the goblins because I'm more a horde kind of guy, so I prefer green skins over humans, but this is another debate. I'm sure Alliance is also pretty great. But nevertheless, this guy here is here since the beginning of the game, and I don't like that. If you look Dota, I had to wait 40 seconds or 1 minute until the first wave, and actually I don't want 2 guys fighting since the beginning. And actually I cannot delete it, because if I delete it, the camp here, I mean here, there is a pointer on this character here in the middle. So if I delete it, I will lost all the logic that I've done. So the solution here that you can do is you can go to the 2 wheels here, the parameters, and you can go to the properties, brain, and here you can put template. And you see that actually this guy is going to change color. Now he's a bit pink. This look a bit weird, but actually it means that this guy is now a template. So if you're a developer, it's like now an abstract class. It doesn't exist in itself, but it will be used by other elements of the game. So you can see that the goblin are correctly spawning with the correct logic. They're really owning this little poor guy. And now I would like, what can I do? Yeah, actually I think applying the same thing for the human, it's kind of straightforward. So let's make something else. Let's code the end of the game. So the end of the game happens when this thing here, so the core of the humans, so here, this little things, hit points reach to 0. So here, let's go to the brain, and when health, it's below, no, I always compare, it's less or equal to 0. And actually here, this is the game over. So you can do some fancy message here. I will just stop the game because I want to keep it simple, but you can display, if you use here display, no, sorry, it's cannot do that like that. You have to do it before, because the game over actually is going to end the game. So you can display something, but before the game over. But you can display things, text and stuff through an interface. We'll look at in the next tutorials. I just want to keep it really simple now. So here I'm back on to the interface, and if I click on the properties, here on the combat, actually I want him to be team 1. So this is another way to change the team of the guy. You can do it into the brain, into the code, as we done for the goblin. You can also do it here. So here, this guy is team 1. And health and defenses, yeah, let's put maximal health 1, starting health 1, invulnerable off, attackable off, destroy after death. I don't want him to dodge. I don't want him to dodge. Normally here, this should be fine. Yeah, let's put this guy a bit out of the map, because yeah. Oh yeah, let me just here. I am going to put it so it doesn't disturb. I'm just going to put it as a template as well. Here we go. And now let's see what happened. So you can see that I've got my goblins wave. I'm not sure this is going to work because there might be some problems, but it's... Oh, that's cool. Actually, I can still throw a fireball. So I'm like an almighty god that cannot be targeted by those little goblins here. They see they're running here, and normally now, as this building is now on team 1, they should attack it. Let's see if it works. Yeah, that's cool, but actually there is a problem with the Xbox of this guy. And you can see that actually the game stopped. So this is working. Now you can see that I am back in the edit mode. So I didn't add any fancy messages, but you can easily do it. I mean, we'll do it on the next tutorial. There is a lot of refinement to do, but a really important part of the gameplay is how to move your hero. So on the next tutorial, I will focus on how we will move our hero, the selection and the movement part. So thank you very much for watching. Please rate me, comment me. That will greatly help me to improve, because this is my first tutorial, and so I have a lot to learn. Thank you guys, and have fun.